Hello, good people. Welcome back to our today's session. I hope everyone is doing fine. So, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I urge you to do so because you might be missing out a lot of content on this part of CBE curriculum. Now, previously we had touched on the part of the that's creative art and sport project for grade 9, and also the pre-technical part, the project of grade 9. If you haven't checked out, go through the videos, you will find it's there. Today I want us to touch on the part of agriculture and home science under grade 9 NEC project. Now, you find that the project that is the part of agriculture consists of two compulsory tasks. That is agriculture, which is about construction of a poultry fold, and we have the part of home science, which is about knitting a scarf that is measuring 15 centimeters wide and 70 centimeters long. So here you find that learners should work carefully, observe safety, and use resources economically, and record evidence, that is use of photos or videos throughout the project. So that's what they are supposed to do as they take this project. Let's go direct to task number 1 under agriculture, that is construction of a poultry fold. So here, learners are going to construct a poultry fold that is secure, affordable, comfortable for poultry, well ventilated, and environmental friendly, and lastly, that fold should be easy to clean. So those are the factors that learners will be using when constructing the poultry fold. Now, after that, they'll be looking for the tools and materials. So these are some of the tools and materials learners will be requiring, and equipment. So we start with tools. We have tape measure, hammer, a handsaw, a panga, we have jembe or a hoe, spade, wheelbarrow, we have spirit level, we have wire cutter, pliers, and screwdriver. Those are some of the tools the learner will be assembling as they prepare for the project. Now, we have the equipment. One of the equipment, remember the equipments are those that we are going to put inside the fold after we have constructed, so that they can help the the poultries inside there during their daily life that they will spend there. So one of the equipment, we have ladder, we have water container, mixing basins, we have a rope, and we have safety gloves. Remember, safety gloves and rope are for the farmer to use when handling the poultries. From there, we have the materials required, and under the material required, we have timber or post, so they can use timber or post. We have nails, we have roofing sheets, we have chicken wire mesh, hinges, door latch, we have cement, we have sand, gravel, water, we have stones, we have timber of cuts. Remember, you don't collect all the tools, equipment, and materials. You collect or you assemble those that you need to use in your project according to the type of poultry maybe you want to keep or you want to rear. So take note of that. Now, after that, let's go to procedure. Since you have assembled all the tools, equipment, and materials, now The next step is the procedure or steps. And here we are going to start by choosing a suitable site. We choose a suitable site. Now, the site should be well drained, easily accessible, away from flooding, and near a water source. So, when you are choosing a suitable site, make sure you consider these factors. From there, we have step 2 or procedure 2. We are now going to use our tape measure to measure and mark the site. Then here we use the tape measure, pegs and strings. From there, we move to step number 3 where now we clear the site. After we have measured and marked, we clear the site to remove foreign materials that we don't need in that area. After that, we dig holes for the posts, and when you are digging holes, ensure equal spacing, correct depth, and firm foundation. So that's step number 4. From there, you move to step number 5, where now we are going to fix the post to the holes which we have dug. And here, when you are fixing the post, make sure that you secure them using soil, concrete, and stone so that they can be firm. Then, step number 6, we construct the frame now. And when you are constructing the frame, make sure you join the timber firmly using nails and hammer. Then after you have done that, now we install chicken wire mesh around it. And when you are doing that, take note of ensuring that there is no opening, it is tight fit, and it's proper fastened. Then when you have done that, now we go to the roof, the fold. We roof the fold, and here we are using roofing materials such as iron sheets. We can use chaff where appropriate or grass where appropriate. And the roof should protect birds from rain, sun, and wind. So from there, you move to step number 9, where now you construct the door. Remember, your fold must have a door. So from there, now we construct a door, and it should open easily, close securely, prevent predators from entering into the fold to disturb the poultry. Then after that, now you inspect the poultry fold, and here you are checking on stability of the fold you have constructed. You also check on the safety of the poultry inside. You check on the ventilation and the strength of the fold, considering the number of poultry you want to put inside it. Will it be able uh, uh, to to carry those poultry inside it, or it will start causing some problems? Now, from there, you will have already constructed your poultry fold. Then make sure that when you are carrying out this activity, there are some safety precautions the learner is supposed to observe, and one of them is that they should wear protective clothing, they should handle sharp tools carefully, they have to work under teacher's supervision, and they should store tools properly after use and keep the working area clean. So that is the end of that project, and when you follow these procedures, these steps, you will come up with a very well constructed poultry folds ready to be used and ready to be assessed by your teacher, and you will end up scoring high marks in this next project. Remember, our work as facilitators is to guide the learners and let the learners do the task. Thank you, and may God bless you. If you haven't subscribed to Brian's Academy, please do so. And if you have any query, let me know through the comment section. If you have any appreciation, also, I'll be happy to see it, and I'll be ready to answer to it.